Introduction to Ayurvedic Hair Care. Ayurveda emphasizes the balance of the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, for optimal health. Hair health is closely linked to the balance of these doshas. Imbalances can lead to various hair problems. 1. Vata imbalance can cause dry, frizzy, and brittle hair. 2. Pitta imbalance can lead to hair thinning, premature graying, and scalp inflammation. 3. Kapha imbalance can result in oily scalp and hair, as well as dandruff. Ayurvedic herbs work by balancing these doshas and nourishing the scalp and hair from within. Top Ayurvedic herbs for hair health. 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry, botanical name, Phyllanthus emblica. Benefits. 1. Rich in vitamin C, Amla strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair growth. 2. Its antioxidant properties protect hair from damage and premature graying. 3. Amla nourishes the scalp, reducing dandruff and dryness. Application. 1. Amla oil. Mix amla powder with coconut oil and apply it to the scalp. 1. Leave it on for an hour before washing. 2. Amla powder. Mix with water to form a paste and apply to the scalp and hair. 2. Rinse after 30 minutes. 2. Bhringraj, false daisy, botanical name, Eclipta alba. Benefits. 1. Known as the king of herbs for hair, Bhringraj promotes hair growth and reduces hair fall. 2. It helps in preventing premature graying and maintaining natural hair color. 3. Bhringraj improves scalp health by reducing inflammation and dandruff. Application. 1. Bhringraj oil. Massage the oil into the scalp and leave it overnight for best results. 2. Bhringraj paste. Mix Bhringraj powder with water and apply to the scalp. 2. Rinse after 30 minutes. 3. Brahmi, Gotukola, botanical name, Bacopa monnieri. Benefits. 1. Brahmi strengthens hair roots and promotes thicker, healthier hair. 2. It helps in reducing hair fall and alleviates stress, which is a common cause of hair loss. 3. Brahmi nourishes the scalp and reduces dandruff. Application. 1. Brahmi oil. Mix Brahmi powder with sesame oil and massage it into the scalp. 2. Brahmi hair mask. Combine Brahmi powder with yogurt and apply to the hair. 2. Rinse after 30 minutes. 4. Neem, Indian lilac, botanical name, Azadiracta indica. Benefits. 1. Neem has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective against dandruff and scalp infections. 2. It promotes hair growth and prevents hair thinning. 3. Neem oil conditions the scalp and prevents dryness. Application. 1. Neem oil. Mix with coconut oil and apply to the scalp. 1. Leave it on for an hour before washing. 2. Neem paste. Grind neem leaves to form a paste and apply to the scalp. 2. Rinse after 20 minutes. 5. Shikakai, soap pod, botanical name, Acacia concina. Benefits. 1. Shikakai is a natural cleanser that removes dirt and excess oil from the scalp without stripping natural oils. 2. It promotes hair growth and strengthens hair roots. 3. Shikakai reduces dandruff and prevents scalp infections. Application. 1. Shikakai shampoo. Mix Shikakai powder with water to form a paste and use it as a shampoo. 2. Shikakai hair rinse. Boil Shikakai pods in water, strain, and use the water as a final rinse after shampooing. 6. Fenugreek, methi, botanical name, Trigonellophonum graecum. Benefits. 1. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. 2. They help in reducing hair fall and treating dandruff. 3. Fenugreek conditions the hair, making it soft and manageable. Application. 1. Fenugreek paste. Soak seeds overnight, grind to a paste, and apply to the scalp. 1. Rinse after 30 minutes. 2. Fenugreek hair oil. Infuse fenugreek seeds in coconut oil and apply to the scalp. 7. Hibiscus. Jup. Botanical name, Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Benefits. 1. Hibiscus promotes hair growth and prevents premature graying. 2. It conditions the hair and adds shine. 3. Hibiscus reduces dandruff and nourishes the scalp. Application. 1. Hibiscus oil. Infuse hibiscus petals in coconut oil and apply to the scalp. 2. Hibiscus hair mask. Grind petals to a paste and mix with yogurt. 2. Apply to the hair and rinse after 30 minutes. 8. Ashwagandha, Indian ginseng, botanical name, Warthenia somnifera. Benefits. 1. Ashwagandha reduces stress, a common cause of hair loss. 2. It strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair growth. 3. Ashwagandha improves scalp health by reducing inflammation and dandruff. Application. 1. Ashwagandha hair oil. Mix ashwagandha powder with coconut oil and apply to the scalp. 2. Ashwagandha hair mask. Combine ashwagandha powder with water to form a paste and apply to the scalp. 9. Aloe vera botanical name, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Benefits. 1. Aloe vera has moisturizing properties that condition the hair and scalp. 2. It promotes hair growth and reduces dandruff. 3. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and reduces inflammation. Application. 1. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the scalp and hair. 1. Rinse after 30 minutes. 2. Aloe vera hair mask. Mix aloe vera gel with honey and apply to the hair. 10. Rita, soapnut, botanical name, Sapindus mucorosi. Benefits. 1. Rita is a natural cleanser that removes dirt and excess oil from the scalp. 2. It promotes hair growth and strengthens hair follicles. 3. Rita conditions the hair, making it soft and shiny. Application. 1. Rita shampoo. Boil Rita pods in water, strain, and use the water as a shampoo. 2. Rita hair mask. Mix Rita powder with water to form a paste and apply to the hair. Incorporating Ayurvedic herbs into your hair care routine. Herbal oils. Ayurvedic hair oils can be made by infusing herbs in carrier oils such as coconut, sesame, or olive oil. Regularly massaging these oils into the scalp improves blood circulation, strengthens hair follicles, and promotes hair growth. Hair masks. Herbal hair masks can be prepared by mixing powdered herbs with water, yogurt, or aloe vera gel. Apply these masks to the scalp and hair, leave them on for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. These masks nourish the hair and scalp, improve texture, and address specific hair concerns. Herbal shampoos. Herbal shampoos can be made by boiling herbs like shikakai, Rita, and amla in water. Strain the liquid and use it as a natural shampoo. These shampoos cleanse the scalp without stripping natural oils and help in maintaining healthy hair. Herbal rinses. Herbal rinses can be prepared by steeping herbs in hot water. Once cooled, use the herbal water as a final rinse after shampooing. This helps in conditioning the hair and adding shine. Incorporate a diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins. By incorporating these herbs into your hair care routine, you can address various hair concerns and promote healthy, strong, and beautiful hair. Remember that consistency is key, and it may take some time to see noticeable results. Embrace the wisdom of Ayurveda and enjoy the benefits of nature's bounty for your hair health.